Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Goodbudget on iPhone. Managing money can be challenging, but having the right tools can make it simple and even satisfying. Goodbudget Planner is a popular budgeting app that uses the envelope system to help you allocate money for different expenses and track spending easily. And with Goodbudget on your iPhone, you can plan your budget as well. First, open your app store on your device. Over here on the bottom, you can find there's a search bar. Simply tap on it and type down Goodbudget and open it and search for it. Over here, we can find there's an option for the Goodbudget budget planner. Click onto this get beside it. And over here, you may be asked to confirm with the Face ID by simply double click to install it. Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password as well. And wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your iPhone, and that is it. Installing the Goodbudget planner on your iPhone is straightforward and it brings a powerful budgeting tools to your fingertips. And by following this step, you'll be ready to plan your spending, save smarter, and take full control. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.